Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you fine. So children, previous video we discussed about that two conditional identities. No, I told you that we have some other conditional identities also. So in the previous video we discussed that two conditional identities. Those two also related to sign 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c as well as sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c. We are having some other conditions also. Here in this video we will discuss that two conditional identities. Okay, those two also related to cos. Okay, so see here, the next conditional identity is cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c, which is equals to minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. Understand? So this is the third conditional identity. So here children, see proof. And here we know that condition. What is that condition, ma? If a plus b plus c is equal to, if a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So before, if you want to write, then write here a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. From this one we can write that a plus b is equal to 180 degrees minus c, or c is equal to 180 degrees minus of a plus b. Okay, in these two cases anything we can write, no? So here, see that, take that LHS. So what is that LHS, ma, here? Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Clear? So here, cos 2a and cos 2b, this is in the form of cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to what we will get here? 2 cos a cos b. So here cos 2a and here cos 2b. So we can write cos c plus cos d. Okay, which is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay, so that formula apply here. 2 cos 2 into a plus b by 2 into cos 2 into a minus b by 2 plus cos 2c. So cos 2c means here we have that one of the formula. What is that? Cos 2c in terms of cos. So cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so that formula here we can write 2 cos square theta. At the place of theta here we are having that 2 cos square c minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Am I clear? So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Here also 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Okay. So from this one, 2 cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus 2 cos square c minus 1. So here first I write here minus 1. Okay, and from that leftover term here, from this one we can take that 2 cos c as common. Okay, but before doing, how madam you are saying 2 cos c? Here just observe that here a plus b is there, no? So a plus b is equal to what we can write here? 180 minus c. So if you written that one here, c plus 2 cos of a plus b, we can write that 180 degrees minus c. So 180 degrees minus c into cos of a minus b plus 2 cos square c. Okay. So from this one here, which is equals to minus 1 plus here 2 cos 180 degrees minus c. So 180 minus c means here that is second quadrant. So in that second quadrant cos is negative. So and here 180 degrees is there means there is no change in the trigonometric ratio, no. So that's why here this one become as minus cos theta. So at the place of theta we are having here c. Okay, so that's why, which is equals to, so minus 2 cos c. Okay, minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b into cos of a minus b plus 2 cos square c plus 2 cos square c. Am I clear, ma? So from this one minus 1 minus 2 cos c. So here from these two terms also we can take that minus 2 cos c as common. Okay, why? Because here 2 cos c is there and here also 2 cos c is there, no? So that's why. So here the leftover cos of a minus b, and here plus is there and here we taken minus as common, no? So that's why here minus will be there. So minus 2 already we taken as common, no? So minus cos c. Minus cos c. So here children, minus 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus here cos of, at the place of c we can write that 180 minus of a plus b. Okay, so c is equal to 180 degrees minus of a plus b we can write here. Okay, so 180 degrees minus of a plus b. Okay, so from this one minus 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b, and here see that 180 degrees minus theta, just like this one only, no? So 180 minus theta means that is second quadrant. So we are getting here minus cos theta. Okay, so that's why minus of minus cos theta is a plus b. Okay, so which is equals to minus 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b, and here minus into minus, that is plus cos of a plus b. Clear? So from this one minus 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, or cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. Anyway we can write, no? So what is the formula for this one? That is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, which is 2 cos a cos b. Cos a cos b. So from this one minus 1 minus 2 into 2 is 4, and here cos c into cos a into cos b. So in order I will write cos a cos b cos c. So hence it is proved. Am I clear children? So see here cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. Okay, that one only we have to show, no? So hence it is proved. Am I clear to you? So this is the third conditional identity. Okay, now we are going to discuss about that fourth conditional identity. So next fourth conditional identity is cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c, which is equals to 1 minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. Okay, so here also condition is same, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. So here see the proof. Okay, cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c. Previous one all are having their positive signs, but here cos c is having that negative sign. Now how to simplify this? So take that LHS. So here again what is that? Cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c. Okay, so from this one cos 2a cos 2b, cos 2a cos 2b. So what is the formula for that cos 2a cos 2b? Already we did in that previous one only, no? So cos of cos c plus cos d. So cos c plus cos d formula, what is that, ma? Cos c plus cos d, which is equals to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2. Okay, apply the same formula here. 2 cos of 2 into a plus b by 2, okay, into cos of 2 into a minus b by 2 minus cos 2c. So again cos 2 theta formula, 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so here see, so 2 and 2 gets cancelled, here also 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So the leftover 2 cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b minus 2 cos square c, and here minus into minus is plus 1. Okay, So from this one, 2 cos of, and we know that a plus b we can write that, from that condition a plus b we can write that 180 degrees minus c. So at the place of a plus b we can write that 180 degrees minus c, okay, into cos of a minus b minus 2 cos square c plus 1. Am I clear? So from this one, here we can write that 2 cos 180 degrees minus c, which means here this is negative now. Why? Because 180 minus c, already we know that. So here what we will get? 2 cos c, okay, into cos of a minus b minus 2 cos square c plus 1. Okay. Now from these two terms, I want to take that 2 cos c as common. Okay. So minus 2 cos c as common. Okay. So minus 2 cos c I taken as common. So the leftover cos of a minus b, cos of a minus b, and here this is minus is there, no, already we taken minus as common. So that is plus, out of 2 cos square c we taken that 2 cos c as common. So that's why that is cos c plus 1. Okay. Now that plus 1 I am writing here, 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b, okay, plus cos c. And we know that at the place of cos c we can write that 180 degrees minus of a plus b. Why? Because already we did this one. Okay. So from this one, 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b, and here minus cos theta will come, no. So plus into minus, what we will get? Minus cos theta. At the place of theta we are having here a plus b. Clear, ma? So from this one, 1 minus 2 cos c into, here cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So here subtraction, and here first a minus b is there. So that is positive or negative? Yes, positive only. So the formula is 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b. So from this one, 1 minus 2 to 4, and here sin a sin b into cos c. So hence it is proved. Okay. So that's what they asked now here. What is that? Cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c is equal to 1 minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. 1 minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. Understand, ma? So here this is that fourth conditional identity. And we have that some other conditional identities we will see in that next video. Okay. Thank you all.